In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add relative volume at time indicators in TradingView Pro. Quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the indicator, how to add it to your chart, and what to do if you need to remove it and get properly set up with a Pro account. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. Any chart and time frame will do for this demonstration. Once your chart is visible, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the time frames and other chart tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all the built-in tools, community scripts, and technical studies you can apply to your charts. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see several tabs or categories. You want to be in the Technical section. Click on Technical so that you're specifically browsing the Technical Indicators library. This helps filter what you see and makes it easier to find what you're looking for, especially if you're new to the platform. Inside the Technical section, look for the search bar at the top of the window. This is the fastest way to find any specific indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click into the search field so your cursor is active there. Now, in the search bar, type relative volume at time. As you type, TradingView will start narrowing down the results automatically. You should see the relative volume at time indicator appear in the list below the search bar. Once you see it, click on the indicator name. TradingView will immediately add it to your current chart, usually at the bottom in a separate panel or overlaid, depending on how it's designed. Take a second to confirm that it's visible and that it looks the way you expect. If at any point you decide you don't want the indicator on your chart anymore, removing it is very simple. Move your mouse over the indicator's title in the chart area. You'll typically see a small menu icon or an X appear next to its name. Click on Remove and the relative volume at time indicator will disappear from your chart, leaving everything else untouched. Finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more tools, better performance, and additional indicators, use the sign-up link in my video description. That link will take you directly to the TradingView sign-up page, where you can choose the plan that fits you best and then follow the same steps we just covered inside your Pro account.